everybody, this is SeeHendo back once again. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Now today, AirMax Day. So got a special unboxing for y'all. Y'all know the title, y'all see what it is. But before we get started, I need you to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. It's going to be a quick unboxing. I'm not going to put it on foot and all that stuff. You guys already know those things. I just want y'all to see the shoe real quick. It's going to be a quick video. But other than that, once again, be sure to hit that like, subscribe button. Be sure to check out my channel, donate, whatever you got to do. I appreciate you guys. I'm out. All right, everyone. So we got the AirMax Bacon, and I got the box right here. So let's get to it. So on the box, you see we got Nike AirMax NRG. This is size 11.5. Let's get that focused a little better. It says Sail, Sheen Straw, Medium Brown. And I ain't gonna even pronounce them other colors, but y'all see it. Y'all see the retail price right there. Comes in the black Nike box, of course. Oh yeah, y'all see the controls back there, the Xbox Series X and the PS5. Y'all know the Abby on there for sure. All right, so let's get this opening up real quick. Woo! These are beautiful. Wow. Wow. Look at this quality, y'all. Y'all see that air bubble? Y'all see that midsole? I'm not gonna get into the detail of this, but I just want y'all to see them. Look at the laces. Oh, and guess what? It comes with two pair of laces, of course. Hey, I got the matching band for these. Shout out to Roster Clock for that, by the way. But yeah, I got matching laces, of course. And it looks like this comes with a, let's see here. Anatomical arch supports. So it comes with arch supports inside of these. That is dope. But there's the shoe right here, man. Got that bottom, that brown, that medium straw brown, whatever you want to call it. But man, look at this. Pink swoosh. This leather and suede is crazy on this. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. The quality on this shoe is A1. A1. Let's get the other one out real quick, and I'll just leave these two here. Close this box real quick. We'll put our laces right there. Let's throw our laces down there. Oh, sorry about that. But here's the shoe right here. Oh man. Look at the quality of this, y'all. That buttery suede. That suede is good on there, man. Or nubuck, whatever you want to call it. This leather, you can see the leather, man. Leather is insane. Let's look at that booty back there. Nike Air in pink, of course. Man, yeah, man. Bacons go hard, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. These retail for $140, obviously with tax. You looking around $160, $150, I'm not for sure. Sorry on the tax. But yeah, man, this AirMax 90 is dope, man. Like I said, I'm a big AirMax 90 guy. Matter of fact, I got these on today. Got these joints on. So I'm a big AirMax guy, man. But yeah, these are dope, y'all. Look at the quality of this. We'll give you a full 360. Let's look at the tongue real quick. Got Nike Air on the tongue. Oh, sorry, Nike on the tongue. Look at that, man. Beautiful, beautiful. You know what? I'm thinking you could do a lace swap to these. Get some cream laces. Get some cream laces. Like, you could probably do a lace swap on these, but yeah, these are insane. Man, look at this quality. A1. A1. A1, y'all. This is A1, man. Like I said, once again, come with the laces, the pink ones. Whatever you want to call that color, I guess. I'm going to say red, but they're not red, obviously. And it comes with the straw laces, man, as well. That color. But yeah, this is good, man. Got that pink tongue. That inside, man. That leather inside. Y'all see it. My size, 11, of course. I wear 11, 11.5 in these. I would say, you know, AirMax 90s for me, because I could wear 11.5 on a good day, but I could say you can go true to size or whatever you think. But yeah, man, these are dope, y'all. Definitely get your hands on these, man. But yeah, here's a look of them. AirMax 90s. Like I said, I don't want to go into crazy detail. Y'all see the AirMax right there in that brown. This is a dope shoe, man. I am so happy to get these, man. Like I said, I didn't get the chance to get those first pairs. I got a friend that has both of them, and he's lucky. He has the new pair that just came out today, obviously. And yeah, man, these are crazy. So, man, y'all be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, man. And more unboxings to come. Appreciate y'all.